Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom soup from a can. First, carefully open your can of condensed mushroom soup. Next, pour the entire contents into a medium-sized saucepan. Then, using the empty soup can, measure and add 1 full can of milk or water to the saucepan. This ensures the perfect consistency for your delicious soup. Now, place your saucepan on a stovetop burner. Turn the heat to medium. It's important to stir the soup frequently to prevent scorching and ensure even heating. Continue stirring until the soup reaches a gentle simmer. Avoid letting it come to a rolling boil, as this can affect the creamy texture. To enhance the flavor, add a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. If you like, a dash of garlic powder can also elevate the taste. For a fresh touch, consider stirring in some finely chopped fresh parsley just before serving. These simple additions can transform your canned soup into something truly special. Once your soup is hot and perfectly seasoned, it's ready to serve. Carefully ladle the warm soup into individual serving bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some crispy croutons or a small swirl of fresh cream. Serve your homemade mushroom soup immediately and savor every comforting spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.